Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Check out our links below. And today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin indicators that are showing some bullishness in the market. Specifically one I've talked about before, and that would be the Stochastic RSI. If you get where you can just keep it simple and find the indicators or the fundamentals or the rule set that works for you and you're making profit, realized profit, then you should keep doing that thing. I'm going to spend the next little bit of this video to show you why I think the market is bullish. Nothing here is financial advice. These are just my opinions on the cryptocurrency market and some of the plays that I'm making. Please do your own research. You make your own decisions, and let's get to it. We're looking at the total cryptocurrency market cap. Now, right now, it's sitting at about $2.11 trillion. We are down from 2.7 trillion at our peak. And at the bottom of the market, we were sitting closer to $750 billion. So we have moved a long way since the bottom of the bear. But the bull is about to enter what I would think is about to enter its last phase. And this is when it becomes even more important to pay attention to the markets, have our plan in place, like a ladder out strategy, and stick to the plan. This is when emotions can get crazy, and that's sometimes why that's why I enjoy looking at the charts. I can use the charts to make a decision on how I'm going to take profit, when I'm going to dollar cost average, and I use that to my advantage, and I use that to avoid having emotional Kevin make decisions. Now, the chart I want to show you now is the Bitcoin chart, and we're going to focus on the Stochastic RSI today. Now, the chart we're looking at is the Bitcoin US Dollar Chart from Coinbase, and we are specifically looking at the weekly chart. I'm going to put an extra horizontal line in to show kind of my range. Now, understand that this is an estimate. I feel like really since, back in February of this year, we have been range bound. We have been range bound since February of this year between 49,000 and just under $64,000. Now, we have not made it back past our all-time highs, but it's coming. Now, you're probably wondering, how are you going to use the Stochastic RSI to help us make decisions? The Stochastic RSI on the weekly chart is almost like you're cheating. It really shows bullish momentum changes in the Bitcoin market. And I want to go all the way back to the bottom of the bear. I have it circled on the chart right here. This would be November of 2022. And if we zoom in on the chart right here, you can see in the depths of the bear market, $16,000 Bitcoin. Everyone's screaming blood on the streets. And what do you got? Pump over the next few weeks. Pump over the next few weeks. We're now sitting in January of 2023 and we're range bound, right? Moving over to here, zooming in over here. This is June of 2023. And there was a huge pump right when the blue line on the stochastic RSI crossed on the weekly. So cross, pump, cross, pump. You can use this to know that a bullish trend is starting to happen. Now I'm going to move us all the way over to February. In February of 2024, we have a blue stochastic RSI cross, and we pump for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks all the way up to 73K. It's crazy. This the stochastic RSI cross is showing us, hey, we're about to get really bullish. What are you going to do? Your plan should already be in place. Now, I think you get the idea. Our last RSI cross on the weekly was back in July 2024, right here. And we pumped for 3 weeks, kind of leveled out, and we've been in a little bit of a dip. Zoom in on here on my chart. You can take a screenshot of this or whatever. What looks like it's about to happen right there? A blue stochastic RSI cross on the weekly. So I'm expecting, not financial advice, and I am not a fortune teller, but I can make good educated guesses that I think Bitcoin is going to start pumping. Now, Bitcoin is already up 4% today, above 4% today, 61,557. Feels good, doesn't it? So this is an indicator you really should get accustomed to if you're going to trade or invest in these markets. There's another chart I'd like to show you too before we get out of here. This is the US Dollar Index, okay? I'm putting it on the weekly also, but I want to zoom out a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to take the stochastic RSI off for now. There we go. So Bitcoin and the US dollar index are inversely correlated. What that means is when the value of the US dollar index is going up, Bitcoin tends to go down. And when the US dollar index is going down, Bitcoin tends to go up. If you look at the chart right here, the dollar has been on a decline for 1, 2, 3, 4, more than a month, or pretty much a month. Usually this might tell me if this trend keeps going down a little bit farther, you can see our bottom down here right below $99.95. Whew, Bitcoin is going to pump. Right now, we're sitting at about 101 and some cents. I'm going to be keeping an eye on this US dollar chart to see if we continue this downtrend, because if we continue this downtrend, again, I'm going to expect Bitcoin to go up. Then hopefully some of those profits are going to bleed into altcoins or maybe bleed a little bit into ETH. So my question for you is are you doing your own research? Are you looking at the charts? Are you exploring the projects you're interested in or the liquidity pools? Because the people who win in this space are the people who do the work. I hope you enjoyed this today. Please like and subscribe to the channel, Dad's DeFi Space. and ping that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Please like and subscribe. Please support our channel by visiting any of the links below. And don't forget, free DeFi course, Crypto Labs Research. Check out that in the links below. Peace.